Today, we're going to review a trading strategy that operates on a 1-minute time frame and has shown us a very good win rate. I decided to share this strategy with you, so let's take a look at which indicators are used in this strategy and what unique settings each of them has. First of all, we need to go to the TradingView website. After that, select the 1-minute time frame and head over to the Indicators section. In the search box, type Scalp Master. Find it and click on it to add it to the chart. Now you need to enter its settings and make various adjustments. As you can see, this indicator provides us with buy and sell signals, which help us find buy and sell trades at the right points and achieve good profits from the market. You can enter a buy trade whenever you see a buy signal and enter a sell trade whenever you see a sell signal. However, at certain points, this indicator might mislead you, especially when the market is in a range and sideways. Therefore, to determine the market direction, we need to add another indicator. For this purpose, we go to the Indicators tab and search for the double EMA indicator. Once we find it, we click on it to add it to our chart. Now we need to enter its settings and make adjustments within it. These changes are not very specific. You just need to change this value to 100. In the Style tab, you can also change the appearance of this indicator as you wish. As I mentioned, this indicator greatly helps us in identifying trends, and we can easily find the market trend with its assistance. When the price candles are below this line, we consider the trend to be bearish, and when the candles are above this line, we consider the trend to be bullish. Once we have identified the trend, entering buy and sell trades becomes much easier for us. But this isn't the end. We need to combine these two indicators to create this unique strategy. However, before I tell you how to enter trades, I would like you to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Well, let's start with a buy order. For this, we just need to look for a buy signal on the chart. Once you find it, you must ensure that we are in an uptrend, that the candles are above the 100 moving average. When both of these conditions are met, we realize that we have found a suitable entry point for our buy trade. Now we just need to find the last swing low and place our stop loss a little below that. Now we can enter the buy trade at this point, and for the take profit, we just need to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now all that's left is to wait for the market to reach our take profit and our trade closes with a profit. For a sell order, we just need to look for a sell signal. After that, we need to make sure that we are in a downtrend and that the candles are below the 100 moving average line. When both conditions are met, we understand that we have found a suitable entry point. Now we need to find the last swing high and place our stop loss a little above that. Now we enter the sell trade, and for the take profit, we just need to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now you just have to wait for the trade to close with a profit, so you can move on to the next trade. As I mentioned, I was able to achieve a very good win rate with this strategy, which has been around 67% after 100 trades, and that's really a great number for this time frame. So I recommend you to try it too and let me know in the comments what win rate you were able to achieve. I hope you can make good profits, and don't forget that this channel is full of profitable strategy, so make sure to subscribe to it. Until the next video, goodbye.